Fabricio, we've got 2 boxes of UEFA here for you. Let's get it. Let's get it. All cards ship. There we go. All right, we ready. Solar pack. I'm going to go pack by pack on these. I like this stuff, man. I'm so excited for Chrome in a little bit. Alarcon. Goulet. Got some gloss to him. There's a Teo Hernandez pink. Pink is non-numbered. Few of those per box. Doke. Konate Paquetá at 25 on the orange foil. Paquetá at 25. Good low number. Odegaard. Endor, Future Stars Gold Star Ball. Rico Lewis. Gonzalo Ramos Gold Star Ball. Dude, a mojo. Look at that. It is a mojo of Havica Kvaratskhelia. Wow. Check that out. How rare are those? Case hit to a case? It's something like that. Very nice K2 mojo. That'll do. Good first box here. Donnarumma on the pink. Take Kubo to 75 on the icy blue. Takefusa Kubo. That is SSP Zinedine Zidane. That's cool too, man. Really good box. SSP ZZ Zinedine Zidane. Dang, dude, killing it. Benzema, best of the best on the orange foil. Or no, that's just the team color. Never mind. That's the orange foil. And Isaac Babadi on the rookie auto. It's a decent one, baby. He's got some potential. Still pretty young. Rookie auto Isaac Babadi with a Goulet on the gold star ball. Holland on the insert. Silva gold star ball, future stars. Did he just Silva just transferred? He's definitely getting discussed. Good young defender. Verge on the pink. Immobile at a 150 on the black and white icy. I forget exactly what they call the parallel. No insert there. Barella. Lenny Oro, he's transferring. He's going to Man U, right? Lenny Oro? Or rumor. And Davies on the gold star ball. The silver pack here. Saka, Rooney, Adeyemi, and Alarcon. All right, solid first box. Let's see big time Yamal right here. Or a big time auto. Put the stack on top of the black pack there. Vardial on the pink. Kamavinga at a $2.99 on the purple. Muhammad Ali Show Future Stars Gold Star Ball. Best of the best, Lewandowski. All right, second box needs to pick up here. Pedri, Gold Star Ball. Sambo, rookie pink, Sharondi Sambo. Loftus-Cheek, green to 99. Ruben Loftus-Cheek. All right. Second half of the box, plus the silver pack, of course. Need some action here. First one was really good. Rico. Marco Reus on the relic. To $2.99, Marco Reus relic. And rookie here, Paris Brunner Gold Star Ball. Dortmund pack there. There's a Yamal. Alvarez Gold Star Ball. Gavi pink. Out of 99, Vinicius Jr. on the icy blue European Knights. Vinny Jr. to 99. R9 SP? Right? All the retired guys are SP? Yeah, that is a short print. So this is Don SSP. You got the R9 SP. Image variation. João Neves, Gold Star Ball. right, and the silver. Got a Ratkov rookie. Jude Bellingham. Savvy Simons. And 1 of 25 orange is Lionel Messi. Young Messi. We got him. Very nice. Orange in that silver pack. That's a pretty good 2 boxes, Fabricio. We appreciate you. We'll get these out to you in a bit.